Every one of these 15 tips exists for one reason. They give you back time you're currently losing to Chrome without realizing it. Not did you know you can bookmark a page? Real seconds, clicks, and searches you repeat every single day that Chrome already has a faster answer for, including two features that only shipped this year and most people haven't found yet. Chrome Story has been decoding this browser since 2009, and every tip here is checked against the real current settings, not remembered from an old screenshot. The order goes from your tabs to your address bar to the reading tools, and finally the 2 minutes of housekeeping that saves you from a much bigger loss of time later. 15 tips, start to finish, every one earning its place by the time it actually gives back. Start with the newest one because it changes how you use every other tab you have open. Right-click any tab and choose Add tab to New Split View. Chrome puts that tab on one side of the window and lets you pick a second tab to sit right beside it. Both fully visible at once, no extension, no separate window to manage. You can also right-click a link and choose Open Link in Split View to send it straight into the second pane without losing the page you were already reading. It shipped as an official Chrome feature in February 2026, so if you right-click a tab and don't see the option, update Chrome first and it will be there. Right next to it is vertical tabs, which solves a different problem. Too many tabs, not enough width to read any of their titles. Right-click any empty space on the tab strip and choose Show Tabs Vertically, or go to Settings, then Appearance, then Tab Position and choose Side. Every open tab moves to a sidebar on the left where the full page title is actually readable instead of squeezed into a sliver with just a favicon showing. It's not the default layout yet, so most people have never seen it, but once you switch, Chrome remembers your choice across restarts and updates. If you'd rather keep tabs horizontal but still can't find the one you want among 40 open ones, press Ctrl-Shift-A or Command-Shift-A on a Mac. That opens Tab Search, a small pop-up where you can type part of a title or even part of the page's content and jump straight to that tab. It's faster than scanning a shrunken row of favicons trying to remember which one was the article you wanted. A few tab habits that cost nothing to learn and save real time. Middle click a tab to close it instantly. No need to aim for the small X that moves every time you add a tab. Middle click a link to open it in a new background tab without ever leaving the page you're reading. Useful for saving a dozen links to look at after you finish the current article. And to move several tabs at once into a new window or a group, hold Ctrl or Command on a Mac, click each tab you want, then drag the whole selection together. They travel as one unit instead of one at a time. If you use Chrome on more than one device, right-click a tab and choose Send to your devices. It pushes that exact open tab to your phone or another computer signed into the same Google account. So you can pick up a page you were reading on your laptop the moment you sit down with your phone, without texting yourself a link or emailing it to yourself like it's 2009. Now the address bar, which quietly does more than almost anyone gives it credit for. Type Add Tabs, press space, and then type part of a title. Every result is a switch to an already open tab, not a new search, so you never accidentally open a duplicate of something you already have loaded. Swap Add Tabs for Add Bookmarks or Add History, and the exact same trick searches just your saved bookmarks or your browsing history instead. All from the one bar you already type into for everything else. No separate Bookmarks Manager tab required. Type Add Gemini in the address bar and you can talk to Google's Gemini AI directly. No new tab, no separate app to open first. Ask it to summarize a concept, draft a quick reply, or just answer a question, right from wherever your cursor already is, which turns out to be faster than it sounds once it's a habit. The address bar also does math, and this one alone is worth the price of admission. Type 1024 times 7 or type 15 miles in kilometers, and Chrome solves it and shows the answer as a suggestion before you even press enter. It's genuinely faster than opening a calculator app or a new tab for anything short of an actual spreadsheet, and it handles currency and most common unit conversions the same way. Here's one almost nobody uses on purpose, even though it removes a full step every single time. Right-click inside the address bar after copying something and you'll see Paste and Go or Paste and Search. Paste and Go treats whatever's on your clipboard as a full web address and goes straight there. Paste and Search runs it as a search query instead. Either way, you skip the extra click into the bar and the extra keystroke to confirm, which adds up over hundreds of pasted links a year. Clicking a link does different things depending on exactly how you click it, and knowing the difference stops a lot of accidental tab chaos. Control click or command click on a Mac opens the link in a new background tab without switching to it, so you keep reading where you are. Add shift to that, control shift click, and it opens in a new tab and jumps you there immediately instead. Plain shift click skips tabs entirely and opens the link in a brand new window. Same link, 3 completely different outcomes, all decided by your keyboard, not by the website. Moving into reading and research, which is where Chrome quietly earns its keep for anyone who reads a lot online. Right-click any article and choose Open in Reading Mode. Chrome strips out the ads, the sidebars, the newsletter pop-up, and any auto-playing video and gives you just the article text in an immersive, full-screen view built for actually reading. The shortcut is Alt-Shift-R on Windows and Linux, Command-Option-R on a Mac. If you'd rather it open in a side panel next to the original page instead of taking over your whole screen, that's a one-time toggle under the View menu, and Chrome remembers whichever you pick from then on. Next to reading mode is the reading list, a separate space from your bookmarks built specifically for things you want to read later, not keep forever like a bookmark. Click the star icon in the address bar and choose Add to Reading List instead of the plain bookmark option. It syncs across your devices the same way bookmarks do, so an article you save from your phone on the train shows up ready to read on your laptop the moment you open Chrome there. If you only want to share one paragraph of a long page, not the whole link and a scroll down to the third heading instruction, select the text, right-click and choose Copy Link to Highlight. Chrome builds a link that opens the page, scrolls straight to, and visually highlights the exact sentence you selected. Whoever you send it to lands directly on the point you meant, instead of hunting through a page they've never seen before. When Chrome feels sluggish and you want to know why before you start closing tabs at random hoping one of them was the problem, press Shift Escape on Windows or Linux. That opens Chrome's own task manager, completely separate from your operating systems, and it lists every tab, every extension, and every background process by exactly how much memory and CPU it's using right now. It's the fastest way to find the one runaway tab or the one extension quietly chewing through your battery, instead of guessing and closing things one by one. Last is the one that should probably come first, and it takes about as long as reading this sentence. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and run Safety Check. In roughly 10 seconds, it checks whether any of your saved passwords have shown up in a known data breach, confirms safe browsing is actively protecting you from malware and phishing sites, flags any extension that's since been pulled from the store for being unsafe, and tells you if Chrome itself is out of date and missing a security patch. It's the single fastest way to know if anything about your setup actually needs attention, instead of just assuming everything is fine because nothing looks obviously wrong. That's 15. And every one of them buys back time you were losing without noticing. Split view and vertical tabs, so you stop rearranging windows by hand. Tab search, middle click, dragging multiple tabs together, and sending a tab to another device, so you stop hunting for the right one or texting yourself links. Scoped at tabs, at bookmarks, and at history search. The at Gemini shortcut. Address bar math, and paste and go or paste and search, all saving you a trip to some other app you didn't need to open. Click modifiers so a link opens exactly where you meant it to the first time. Reading mode, the reading list, and copy link to highlight so you stop fighting a page to read the part you actually wanted. Task Manager for the minute something is visibly wrong, and Safety Check for the 10 seconds that catch what would have cost you a lot more time later quietly wrong. This is chromestory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe because this is Chrome explained properly.